Cosby Yarn Bomb 2023, held in Cosby, Leicestershire, England. Cosby Yarn Bomb is celebrating its 5th year, with a Showtime theme. With over 50 theme installations. Strictly Come Cosby, I'll give it 10. This Is Me, by the local school children. Back Where They Belong. Holy Moly, made by Nat, Helen, and Jane. Best in Show, this stunning display was skillfully created by Elaine Kitt, Vicky Brown, and Hannah Babaik. The Fabulous Sunflowers by Bron, Robin, Nicola, Sheila, Debbie, and Sue. Best in Show, Cosby Crafts, lovingly stitched by Kirsty Tilsley, Julia Harrison, Lindsay Parkin, Kylie Britt, and Janine Sennybird. Best in Show, High Tea, Cucumber Sandwich. Anyone? The Lovely Bunch of Coconuts, by Nicola Benmajer. Fun and Games, Yarn Bomb Construction, Dave built the frame, Pete, Trish, Rachel, and Sandy brought it to life. Anyone for Ice Cream, They Look Good Enough to Eat, by Carolyn Wrighton, D.I. Butler, Leslie Robinson, and her husband. The Sound of Music, beautifully made by Brenda Hubbard, Carolyn Wrighton, and Nova Guhan. Showtime, with Shaun the Sheep and Friends, made by the Cosby Crafters. Why Don't You? This was a huge team effort from Jan Gamble, Jude and Rachel Bland, Jane, Linda Kelly, Felicity Kuhivchak, Bron, Emma, Sue, Dave and Sarah Louise Raymond. Warm Homes Doll's House, made to support the United for Warm Homes campaign, by Heather Fox, Elaine, Rushmi, Kirsty, Wendy, Sue, Tina, and Paula Forster. Dusty Bin, by Joanne Harris. The Generation Game, by Dad and Daughter, Terry and Eam. Stars in Their Eyes, with Dolly by the Cosby Crafters. Bill and Ben, by Wendy, Maxine, and Paul. A Right Royal Twitch, by the Cosby Crafters team. Nature's Greatest Showman, beautifully and skillfully knitted, crocheted, and stitched by Karen Edwards. Beautiful Birds by students of Thomas Istlay School. Duckbrook, made by mother-daughter Cosby Crafters regulars Jane and Anne. That's Magic, Cosby's answer to Paul Daniels and Debbie McGee. By Kylie Britt, Vicky Brown, Kath Black, Elaine Roberts, Sue Holmes, Dave and Pat Screeton. Breakfast at Tiffany's, the Tide Barn twist on the famous film, Breakfast at Tiffany's. The Lion King, Simba is sitting proud on Cosby's famous rock, surrounded by all the main characters from the much-loved Disney classic, created by Helen Courtney, Jill Moult, and Karen Williams. Cosby Spectacular Circus, skillfully knitted and crocheted by TNA, Jenny, Di, Jude, Rachel, Karen, Rosie P., Elaine, Erica, Sandy, and Rachel Bland, all Cosby Crafters Morning Group. Dumbo, this year marks 100 years of Disney. The Sweet Dumbo was brought to life by Dave, Pat, Sarah Marshall, D.I. Nutt, Jenny Hargraves, and Tina Pollard. Bathtub and Bubbles, by Max, Wendy, Elaine, Rosie, Tree Wrap by Jane H., Felicity Kowalczyk. Votes for Women Tree, inspired by Mrs. Banks and her suffragette friends, by Anona Helnia, Rushme, Pamela C. Mary Poppins, Above the Chimney Tops, by the Cosby Crafters. Wonderland, the magical fantasy play area, by lots of people of the Cosby Crafters. The Jungle Book, by the Cosby Crafters. The Greatest Showman, by the Cosby Crafters. It's time to bid farewell to this year's yarn bomb. We'll be coming back next year. Thanks for watching.